is Edna Armas and this is project 2. I'm gonna be creating an OR logic gate and I'm gonna explain how it works. This is a parallel circuit and it's for our OR logic gate. So first we have our power source that is 9 volts, and then we have our 1 kilo ohm resistor, and then we have our 2 transistors, our first collector, base and emitter, and our second collector, base and emitter, and finally our LED light. So our OR logic gate has 2 inputs and just 1 output. And in difference with the AND logic gate, this one doesn't necessarily need for both of the transistors be on to let the current flow and turn on the LED light. So for example, the first transistor is on, the second one is off, and our LED light is on. If both of the transistors are off, then our LED light is going to be off as well. Then this is our current flow. So for example, if our first transistor is on, then the current can flow, and then on the second transistor it's on or off, either of those options, the current can flow and our LED light can be on. And then that's how we complete our circuit. The materials are a breadboard, 2 transistors, 1 LED light, a 1 kilo ohm resistor, jumper wires, our power source, and a controller board. So the first step on this circuit is attach our 2 jumper wires to our controller board. The first one goes to the ground and the second one goes to the 5 volt. And then we have to attach our jumper wires to our breadboard. Then we grab our first transistor and we place it on our breadboard. And we have to remember that this circuit is parallel. Then we grab our 1 kilo ohm resistor, and then one leg goes to the ground and then the other one goes to the collector or the first transistor. Then we grab our second one and we place it on parallel. Then we grab a jumper wire, because we also have to remember that our first transistor collector has to be connected to our second transistor collector, and also our first transistor emitter has to be connected to our second transistor emitter. Then we grab our LED light and we attach our shorter leg into the ground and then the longer leg into our emitter. Then we attach it to our power source, and then we try to connect the first collector to the first base. can see here that we just need one transistor to be on for the light to turn on. So either of those transistors has to be on. It doesn't necessarily need both of them. So here, just one transistor is connected and the other one is not. And here we're connecting the second one. And our light is still on.